Preparation of Lagundi Vitex Negundo for cough. What you'll need: a handful of fresh Lagundi leaves, 1 cup of clean water, mortar and pestle or any tool to crush the leaves, small pot, strainer, cup or glass. Steps: wash the fresh Lagundi leaves thoroughly. Crush the leaves to release the juice and active compounds. Place the crushed leaves in a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil and leave the pot uncovered once it starts boiling. Continue boiling until the water is reduced to half, about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool, then strain to remove the leaves. Dosage: children 2 to 6 years old, 1.5 tablespoons, 3 times a day after meals. Children 7 to 12 years old, 3 tablespoons, 3 times a day after meals. Adults 13 years old and above, 1 cup, 3 times a day after meals. Continue for 3 to 5 days or until symptoms improve.
Notes and warnings. Always use fresh leaves for best results. Prepare a new mixture daily. Do not reuse boiled leaves. Keep covered and clean until used. Can be taken warm or at room temperature. If cough or fever lasts more than a week, consult a doctor.